That annoying dead USB port in your Colorado? Let's fix it. Fast. First up, let's figure out what's wrong. Are you sure it's the truck, not the cable or your device? Try a different USB cable and a different phone just to double check. Still nothing? Look at your truck's settings. Some Colorados let you turn the USB ports on or off in the infotainment menu. If you see that option, make sure it's on. Next, check the port itself. Is there dirt, lint, or crumbs jammed in there? Gently clean it out with a toothpick or a blast of compressed air. If the port still doesn't work, it could be a blown fuse. Open your fuse box, usually found under the hood or below the dashboard. Find the diagram, look for the USB or AUX PWR fuse and check if it's burnt out. No worries if it is. Just swap it for a new one of the same type. Still stuck? Sometimes the USB port itself can fail. Dealers can replace it, or you might find a replacement part online if you're handy. Bottom line, most USB port problems are quick fixes. Check your cable settings, port and fuse. If all else fails, call your Chevy dealer. Stay powered up, drive safe, and don't let a dead port ruin your day.